So I tried looking into the laziest ways to make money online for beginners. Some people might say that I'm lazy for trying to do that, but I think it's the smart thing to do. It's about working smart. It's probably lazy to think like that. Then so be it. The internet is full of so many different ways that someone could make money online, but I think it can be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're a beginner and you're just starting off online. Where do you start, really? Now I can go ahead and say what everybody else says, and that's to start freelancing online. The thing about that is it may be easy to quickly start, but it's still tied to how much time you put in. Meaning, only when you work, you get paid. When you don't work, then you don't get paid. So in that light, I don't think it's lazy enough. Now, there's this other way that you probably heard of before, and it's called affiliate marketing. Some people think that it's too expensive and time-consuming to start, but I think it's kind of the opposite. Well, that is at least the method I will be showing you. So it doesn't take up much time, and it's also free, so you don't have to spend a cent. Basically, you promote other people's products as an affiliate, and they pay you a commission if someone else purchases the product from your promotion or a piece of content. I actually think it's possible that this could be the laziest way to make money online for a beginner. The best way, the best way. So the first thing to do is to pick a topic. Actually, no, wait. The first thing is the most important step, and it's to subscribe. Don't be lazy now. It's just one click. Well, 2 clicks actually, because there's a notification bell. Now back to the real step 1. Pick a topic that you're interested in. The reason for this is because remember, we're not going to be spending any money on this. And by going through this free route, it's actually the smartest way, I think. Or the easy way, where you're going to create content that works for you in the long run. So if you're going to be creating some content on an ongoing basis, it really should be something that you're interested in. So think about this quickly, don't overthink this. Remember, it could be anything: health, travel, investing. It could be about how much you like my channel, or maybe like food, or something like make money online, which is what I'm interested in. So once you think about that one, move on to the other step. Step number 2, which is to find a product to promote. Yeah, that's right. We're finding somebody else's product. Someone's product that is already created and proven. It has testimonials, that's social proof. And then sell that to our audience by just simply mentioning it. And if somebody decides to buy, then you can earn a percentage of that sale. Now, if they have any issues with the product, they're not going to be talking to you. They'll be talking to the product owners. So you don't even have to worry about the customer service either. To make this even easier, just pick one product in one category and start with a simple affiliate network like ClickBank or Digistore24. Or if there's a tool, one that you're interested in, or a tool that you use regularly, then just become an affiliate for that. Because most likely, if it's a tool that you use already and it's fairly popular, you can just search it up and type affiliate next to it. Register for one of those affiliate programs and grab your affiliate link so that you can use that and start making sales sooner than later. Step number 3 is to build content ideas around the product. What do I mean by this? Let's say the product that you want to promote is an artificial intelligence copywriting tool, just like Jarvis AI, that lets you write really good content automatically in like seconds. You'd want to create at least 2 different types of content around that. The first type of content is to pull in viewers who know about Jarvis AI already. For content like that, you would want to mention Jarvis AI in the title, like Jarvis AI Experiment, Jarvis AI Review, or Jarvis AI Top Features. For the second type of content, you'd also want to reach people who want to get benefit of something like Jarvis AI copywriting tool, but who hasn't ever heard about this tool or didn't realize that a tool like this even exists. For this example, somebody would be looking for ways to write articles automatically and fast. So you can have some titles around that, something like write articles 10 times faster with artificial intelligence. Hey, that is not a bad idea. Maybe I should write that down. Okay, so you're probably saying that this method is supposed to be lazy, right? And this sounds like a lot of work, since you have to come up with all of that content. But don't worry, it's not going to be hard or take up much time at all.
I also get headaches from computers, so I can't be around them for too long.
There's a way that you can actually make simple videos for YouTube and earn affiliate commissions with products like Jarvis AI that we just mentioned. But let's say for the first type of content, for this example, you were creating a video around Jarvis AI Review. All you had to do is use a free program like OBS Studio to record your screen, showing some of the key features in Jarvis AI and how to use it well. You don't have to be speaking much, just guiding the viewer through the program before they actually get access to it, but motivating them to get access to it so they can use it alongside while they're looking at your tutorial. And for the second type of article, for the people who don't know about Jarvis AI but wants the benefit, well, the article idea that I mentioned around the benefits was write articles 10 times faster with artificial intelligence. You could do a similar type of video doing just that, writing an article 10 times faster. And while screen recording without showing your face, without much voiceovers either, but actually trying to write an article using the tool and then mention it during the video. Kind of like this. If you want to create articles 10 times faster just like what you've just seen, check out this tool that you've been looking at in this video. It's in the first link in the description, and what I'm offering you is an opportunity to get started for absolutely free by setting you up with 10,000 words for free. For real, even in this video too. Check in the description below to get that 10,000 words for free. Now you can literally start this now by downloading OBS Studio if you wanted to try this. Now keep in mind you can do this with any product that you're interested in. Any product that you probably already use is going to be an easy place to start. But for me, I love using Jarvis AI, which is why I gave an example about this. Now, I am also an affiliate for Jarvis AI, hence the link in the description. But you could be as well and start making an income from actually using the tool. And the good thing is, as I mentioned, you don't have to actually spend any money to get started. Just to sum that up, what you could do is use the free trial link that I have in my description, and you could use those 10,000 words to make videos just like the ones that we mentioned here. Recording your screen using Jarvis AI, apply for the affiliate program, get your link, and pump out some short and simple videos posting consistently for a little while. And then you could just stop when your 10,000 words are up, unless you're making money of course. Then it would make sense to invest in the Pro plan at that point. Now if you like this method about creating these simple videos and getting paid, then I think you're going to want to check out this video next, where I talk about how you can make some simple tutorials here as well by recording your screen. And this one is a little bit different because you're using Microsoft Excel, and you could possibly make more money doing that. So check that video out.